Hey, what's up guys? So I know that cold season is here and a lot of us want to stay on our keto diet. So I have made a recipe for a kimchi chigae. If you don't know what kimchi chigae is, kimchi chigae is a Korean kimchi stew or soup. I make my own homemade kimchi, and sometime in the future I'll be posting a video on how to make your homemade kimchi if that's something that you guys are interested in. It is a very keto friendly food. It's a superfood of sorts because it has a ton of nutrients, antioxidants, great fiber and all that stuff, everything that we kind of need when we're on a keto diet. So I have my own homemade kimchi here. Some other stuff that I'm going to be putting in it is some egg, some sardines, a little bit of beef bouillon, and after it's all said and done, I'm going to top it off with some pork rinds for just a little bit of that like cracker crunch type substitute. So, start off, I'm going to have 4 ounces of kimchi to it. To add a teaspoon of beef bouillon. Get a spoon. I'm going to stir this up, and now I'm just going to let it sit until it starts to boil. Once it starts to boil, I'm going to add the sardines to it, and I'm going to add a couple of eggs to it. Alright, now that we have our soup down to a boil, starting to boil, I'm going to lower the heat on this a little bit. And I'm going to add the sardines. Chop them up just a little bit. I'm going to add the egg. Now, when you add the egg in here, you kind of want to get in there with a spoon or a fork and kind of break things up and mix it up. You're going to let this go for probably another 5 to 10 minutes until the egg is all cooked in. If you guys don't like sardines, you can use any meat. Chicken works really good, pork, beef. I've used all of it with all of our kimchi chigae before, so it all works good. Like I said, the only reason why I used fish is because I like fish. It was readily available because I don't have any chicken or anything cooked up. So I just decided to use some sardines. And then now if you guys come here and notice, you'll notice that the egg is cooking inside of the soup. And this is going to help us get our proteins and our fats in for the day for our meal. This is just about done. So once you're finished, you're going to shut this off, stick it in a bowl, and then throw some pork rinds on top. I got some pork rinds right here. Use about a ½ ounce. The macros for this meal is going to be 37 grams of protein, 26 grams of fat, and only 4 grams of carbs. So this is a really good keto meal. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead, serve this up, and enjoy. So I hope this video helps you guys out trying to figure out a good soup to make that is also keto friendly. Take it easy, guys.